Hi everybody, how's it going today? I'm getting a little bit tired, so I apologize in advance if my enthusiasm and sense of humor is not all here. So, excuse me there. For the people that have been following me on Twitter today, you guys know what happened. You guys all know what happened today. I was doing Elliott wave analysis on a 1 minute chart, guys, play by play, getting every single bounce. I just want to show you guys that if you study hard, that's what can happen, guys. You can do technical analysis like that, okay? And I literally called every single bounce today for Bitcoin and the very bottom on a 1 minute chart. So for the people that are not following me on Twitter, go check it out if you guys want to see that and see what hard work can do. So I just want to show you guys by example. I want to inspire you guys by example, by being very transparent to show you guys what hard work can do, okay? I put in a lot of time, more time than a lot of people, that everybody that I know, put it that way. And if you want to really step up your game, you have to put in that hard work, right? The people that are asking me things like, when should I buy, when should I sell? Yeah, you know what? If it's that easy to ask the question, instead of just trying to do something for yourself, you guys are not going to bother trying to learn anything for yourself. You're just going to stand there and wait for people to have things thrown at you. And those people, guys, I don't care about them, to be quite honest, okay? I want to focus on you guys. You guys, I'm talking to you, that wants to put in the hard work, that knows what hard work can do, that sees it firsthand. And that's what I'm gonna do to you guys, show you guys what hard work can do, because this is not child's play game. As much as I joke around, guys, as much as I joke around and I have a sense, my joking sense of humor, you guys see the hard work that I put into this as well, right? Yes, it is fun. Yes, I do get to stay home. Yes, I get to work from home. Yes, it is a lot of money, but it is also the hardest work that I have ever done in my life. It's harder than I've ever worked as a project manager. It's harder than any work that I've ever had as an engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer, if you guys don't know, with a background in math as well. So it's really, really hard work, guys, and I want to make sure that you guys understand that I'm not showing off on Twitter, okay? I'm not bragging or anything at all like that. This is to show you guys by complete example of what hard work can do when you really study your butts off in technical analysis. Because let's face it, guys, doing Elliott wave on a 1 minute chart and calling everything top to bottom and every bounce, that required more brain power than I've ever had to use up this year so far. And I did that for you guys because I wanted to show you what could be done when you put in that kind of hard work, okay? So what I do is not for myself. I don't care about my ego. I'm not that kind of person, right? I don't really have an ego, guys. I'm past that stage in life in terms of wanting to make myself feel better by boasting myself up or something like that. I'm kind of at the stage in my life right now where my main focus is wanting to see other people succeed, and that is what kind of drives me right now. I mean, because why else would I be doing it, guys? Right? It's a lot of work to what I do for everybody. So I just want you guys to know that put in the hard work, okay? Please put in the hard work, and don't ask questions like, when do I buy? When do I sell? What should I buy? Don't you guys gotta be able to put in some work yourselves, right? Because if we're always leaning on other people to do the work for us, how can we ever learn to do any work for ourselves and move to a different level, right? So please don't take it the wrong way when I'm tweeting and stuff like that, or if I'm talking about some accomplishments, etc. It's so you guys know what can be done and what cannot be done. So anyways, or not what can be done, what cannot be done, but more so what can be done with a little bit of hard work there. So anyways, if you guys love these videos, go smash that upvote button. It is how you guys support me, and I don't ever want anything in return from you. I will never, take my word, mark my words right now, that if this video is longer than 15 minutes, I'm if this video is longer than 15 minutes, I swear to gosh, I'm going to give away a Bitcoin. I kid you not. I'm going to keep this video really, 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 really short. Okay, I've got 9 minutes and 5 seconds to go. And I forgot what I was saying. So if you guys, make sure you also like, subscribe, and share as well. And if you guys think I'm doing a phenomenal job, consider buying me a lunch or a beer by donating to the cryptocurrency piggy bank. Don't ever feel obligated to do that. But I just want to say that, I just say that because who doesn't like it, having lunch bought for them or a beer? It's the best feeling in the world. Just let me know I'm doing well. But I'm good. Trust me, guys, I'm good. Or just let me know that I'm doing a great job, and that alone makes me feel fantastic, okay? We're going to go over Litecoin right now in very quick detail. So the way that I'm seeing Litecoin right now is this, okay? Litecoin, I see this as an A, B, C correction, and that's the bottom, okay? I see that as the bottom right now already. And the reason why I see this as the bottom right now is because of this. I see this as a massive 5 waves coming down, and it conforms to everything very well right here, okay? Just like that. That's what I see. I see this meeting a resistance as well over here. I'm going to delete all this. I see this going up to about, a pretty high fib level actually. It went to a pretty high Fibonacci level, like well past the 618. So it's not a dead cat bounce. The volume picked up as well. Bitcoin is starting to uptrend as well. So I'm led to believe, and also on CoinMarketCap, let me show you. CoinMarketCap, Litecoin here. Take a look at this, okay? In the past 24 hours, about $1 billion, guys. On the historical data, past few days, we've only been trending around 200, 300, 400 million. And then in the past few days, bam, uptrend. So it's really hard to believe that this is not an official uptrend going up right now, okay? So now we're going to do a detailed Elliott wave count. But before we do that, I want to explain to you the mechanics of Elliott wave in here. Okay, that is Elliott wave right there. And then we have, A, would say it's something like that, okay? A and B and something like that, C. And then, you guys are not going to catch me. I'm watching my clock really well. I'm not going to be like last time, okay, guys? I want to prove to you that I can actually be someone of my word and keep it under 15 minutes. I am watching this clock right now, and I will not edit this video. Now, that is the neckline right there, okay? That is the neckline, and then we get the head and shoulder pattern that goes something like this right there. Right? That is the head and shoulder pattern. Agreed? Agreed. That is all done from an Elliott wave perspective, okay? Now, what I want to point out for a day trader position is that, first of all, I want to draw this in here. I call this my wave 1, 2, 3, and this is a huge third wave there, 4 and 5, like that. And then I see this as A, B, C in here. A, B, okay? And then C, like that. And what you will notice is a beautiful neckline that has formed like that. And then now what we have is a head and shoulder, right there, like that. You see it better on a different time frame. Now you see it better, right? There you go. You see a lot better now. Now what a lot of people do is they will either go long if they see if this neckline breaks or not. And surely enough, it held, right? So now where are we? Where are we, Litecoin? Now that we've confirmed an impulse wave up, don't forget my long-term projection, guys, $380, okay? $380. And I'll show you guys how I get that projection at the end as well. This is making its way to an ascending triangle. So what is the best thing to do? You guys wait for this breakout that is going to happen in about 8 hours from now. Right now it's 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. This will happen at this time before then, where the apex is. So you guys draw it in there, and you guys make sure that you know where this is. This is on bitfinex. My entry will be above this price right here, about 155, right around there. 155 will say on the breakout is where I will confirm it. Once confirmation is obtained, I will enter it. What was the previous resistance now becomes a support. So then we go like this, and that's when I will basically just adopt this strategy called hold and forget, guys. It's going to be called hold and forget. I think that the uptrend is going to happen. Of course, we can end up trending down here before an official breakout happens. But nevertheless, it does seem like 5 very clean waves going up. We have a very nice retracement here as well at around the 0.5 level. If you guys remember yesterday on Twitter, I was calling pretty much all of this play by play. All of this whole thing. This whole uptrend, no, actually it might have only been from about there to about right here. I called it out for 5 hours, guys. I called the top as well. I even suggested a short. So make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. You get a lot of, I don't want to call it signals, okay? I don't want to call it signals, but you guys know what they are. They are me calling out my plays, and I'm tweeting it live. So you guys can see what I'm doing and get inside of my head. So sure, you can call it signals if you want, but I call it just talking about what I'm doing from my perspective. So what I'm waiting for now is waiting for this to break out and confirm an actual uptrend, okay? I think that this is basically wave 1 right here. This is all of wave 1, and this is all of 2, right? This is all of wave 2 here of this particular subwave, and now we're just waiting for a particular breakout, and we'll see what Bitcoin does as well. So we're gonna have to wait on that as well. Now, if this breaks down, guys, if it breaks down, then there's no uptrend, that we get an extended correction, but it's hard not to assume that we are actually in an uptrend right now already, because of, well, first of all, perfect 5 waves going up there, right? Lots of volume. Well, volume, this is a spike, so you can tell it's a wave 3, right? Right here, you can tell this is a wave 3, and if I actually drew it even better inside of there as well, you can even tell where the first wave is, right there, right? Like right around, say, actually right here, that's 2. Next spike is about 3 there, and that's 4, and that's 5. So it looks like 5 beautiful waves have already formed there. I got 3 minutes to finish this video. So here's the uptrend right here, guys. I would wait for about 155, a close above it, 155, close. And then once, guys, you have confirmed an uptrend within 7 or 8 hours, then you just go long on it, okay? Just go long on it. I'm not financial advice or anything, but it would make sense, right? And based on everything that we see here right now, if this does break out, guys, if it does break out, what we will actually get is I will target the 168.1 extension, okay? I'm always conservative though. I'm very, very conservative, so I don't ever target the 161.8 first, okay? And that is not me. You guys can if you want to, but it's not me. I always target a little bit higher than the 151 point, or sorry, the 100, okay? That's me. Right there, I target a little higher than the 100, and the next one, I target right there. So there we go. That's it, guys. This is my TA. My first target is about $205, okay? Target 1's 205, and target 2 is about 245. Got that? 205, 245. Those are my targets right now, assuming that this one right here actually ends up breaking out, okay? So then if that does break out, what will most likely be the case is this. We're going to be looking at wave 1, like that. This is all 2 in here. You know, this will be about 3, okay? 4 will most likely be to right about right here, and that would be 5 in there. Assuming that this is a breakout and Bitcoin is not correcting further, these are my thoughts. 205 and 245. But the only criteria that must be met is this one right here in first. So don't go in blind. If you guys go in blind, then you're not listening to anything that I'm saying. You understand that, guys? I'm being really firm on you right now. Okay, guys? Sometimes I have got a really firm side because I'm sick of hearing people say things like, oh, you said this was a good idea, but you know what? You cannot have selective hearing, guys. What makes me a decent trader? I'll say decent, you know? I think I'm a decent trader and a pretty good trader in general. But what makes me, one of the strong qualities that I have is being patient, right? I'm super duper patient. And that is, and you know, it goes towards everything, right? It's also why I'm patient to explain all this material to you guys as well. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing it if I wasn't patient. So you guys need to exercise patience and also make sure that there's a clean break above 155. We're talking clean, even 156. And then the targets are 205 and 245. Those will be the longer term targets right now for your swing positions, provided we break out. Other than that, guys, have yourselves a great night. I'm not going to let it get longer than that. I know you guys want that Bitcoin right now. I'm looking at the clock. Have yourselves a great night. Thank you for watching the video, for all the love and the support, especially. And I will always try my best, I hope you guys know that, to provide amazing content where you can contact me, you know, for help and stuff like that. And we'll get there together to a different level. Make sure you guys upvote this. I would really appreciate the support. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share as well. And if you guys especially love the videos, make sure you guys donate to the Luna Cryptocurrency Piggy Bank and buy myself and my dog a beer or a lunch, because who doesn't like that? Who doesn't like that? Okay, guys, so I'm now going to talk for another 14 seconds here, right before the 15-minute mark here, before I owe someone a Bitcoin. So had like a really good day, you know. I just got out of the shower. Right now I'm just wearing like a bathrobe, you know. I've got like 6 more seconds to talk. Guys, my bathrobe is just about to come off right now. Oh my god, my bathrobe just came off right now. Oh my god.